Hi guys, today we are going to introduce this 20-inch folding electric bike. First, we have a whole glance of the bike, and from the front view, we can see the front line. With the front line, it will be more safe for the riders to ride in dark conditions. Then we see the head part. Here is the brake delever, the Shimano derailleur system, then we can see the adjustable and foldable stem, and on the left side we can see the 9 steps LCD displayed, and on the right we can see the photo. Then this is the saddle, and from the other side we can see the whole frame with silver and red color, the crank, the trend wheel, and the seat post, the rear wheel with the rear motor. This bike is great for those looking for a way to get around the city in style, get some exercise, and achieve those commuting goals.